Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get dark mode on TikTok app. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and log into your account and connect with the good speed or good quality internet, and then you can proceed furthermore. So whenever you logged in, you will come in your home page or your profile page. So you have to simply do is click on your profile and comes in your profile, and then click on the three lines on the top right corner that you will proceed further. So as you can see, this menu pop-ups like from the right side. So you have to simply click on settings and privacy, and then you have to simply scroll down until you see this content and display. In this you will see the second last option called display. Click on that, and then you will see over here the two options over here, or like you can see over here, use device settings as well. If you are using dark mode in your device, so click on that toggle to turn this on. So whenever you turn into dark mode, the TikTok app will be turned into dark. If you I will show you how you can do it. So whenever you pop-ups comes over here down, and then you have to simply click on theme, and it's gonna be like white, or like you can see light. The theme is changed by your device. So whenever you again turn on dark mode, it's gonna be changed it too. But if you want to change like manually, you have to simply turn this toggle off and then click on light mode or dark mode, and that will never affect your device settings as well. So that's it. That's how you can get dark mode on TikTok app. It's super easy to do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.